In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Flash Step in Blox Fruits Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, as you might expect, you have to unlock the Flash Step. You are going to be able to get this ability when you go over and talk to the ability teacher. The ability teacher can be located at the Frozen Village's cave or near the Magma Village, and he sells you the quest or the ability for $100,000. As long as you buy Flash Step and activate it from him, you will be able to use it at any time. Now, for PC, you have to press R with the cursor where you want to go to, and on mobile, you have a dedicated Flash Step button, like so. However, for console, what you have to do is press down on the right stick. Now, as you might know, when you press the right stick on Xbox, what this is going to do is zoom in or out with your camera. Unfortunately, to my knowledge, if you press the right stick to use Flash Step, it is still going to mess with the zoom in or zoom out function, so it can be annoying to use. I am not sure if they fixed this by now, but if you all you want to do is use Flash Step, this is how you do it for Xbox controllers. Press down on the right stick and your character is going to teleport towards a certain location that you can indicate. As long as you use the right stick on your Xbox controller, Flash Step will be used. You will have a certain cooldown depending on your race and depending on the ability that you have, but this is all you have to do to use Flash Step on Xbox. Press down on the right stick and you will be good to go. If the zoom in or zoom out that happens when you press the right stick is annoying you, what you can do is connect a keyboard or mouse to your Xbox and then use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in that way. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Flash Step in Blox Fruits Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.